Imagine you run a restaurant, a beauty salon, or sell products online. Your customers can browse your menu, services, or products in a beautiful, interactive carousel directly inside Instagram DMs without leaving Instagram. In this video, I'll show you how to set this up using CVP Chat.
In this tutorial, I'll show you 2 ways to send a showcase, also known as a carousel, in Instagram direct messages. First, we'll do it using tasks, so you fully understand the logic. Then, I'll show you why doing the same thing in Flow Design is much easier and more powerful. Let's start with the Tasks section. Go to the Tasks page and click on New Task. Select the Instagram page you want to work with. Just like we explained in previous lessons, the first step is defining the trigger. This trigger can be a comment under a specific post, a direct message, a reply to a story. For example, if someone sends a direct message with the keyword menu, we want to reply automatically. Once the trigger is set, click on Configure Message. A configuration window will open. From here, choose Showcase. Inside the Showcase section, you can create a carousel with up to 10 slides. Each slide includes 1 image, a title up to 60 characters, a subtitle, and up to 3 buttons. Click on Add Slide. You can upload an image or paste an image URL. For example, let's create a cafe menu. We upload an image for hot drinks, write the title, and add a subtitle. Now we add a button. The button text could be View, but the postback value might be Hot Drinks View. The user only sees View, but the system receives the postback value. Using this, we can trigger another task or show another showcase. This allows us to create submenus. For example, first showcase, menu categories. Second showcase, breakfast. Third showcase, drinks. After saving the slide, we can add more slides, such as soft drinks. Once everything is ready, click Save Showcase and save the task. Now that you understand how this works with tasks, let's look at the better and easier way, Flow Design. Go to the Flow Design section from the left-hand menu. Create a new flow, select your Instagram page, and add a trigger. For example, a direct message with the keyword menu. Now, instead of creating multiple tasks, we simply drag and drop a media node and configure it as a showcase. Here, you can use the same logic: slides, buttons, postbacks, submenus. But this time, everything lives inside one single flow. Buttons can open another showcase, trigger another step in the flow, send text, media, or connect to an AI agent. You don't need to create separate tasks anymore. Now you can create useful carousels and menus to show your services, products, and samples beautifully without losing your customers while they are traveling from Instagram to your website.
CVP Chat, your twin on Instagram.